documentary of the year. Must watch documentary.
Ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place.
We're on our way to the train.
Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is a vlog of my camp. We'll be going hiking. We're on an overnight train right now, and we're on the way to.
And I am Cathy's best friend.
And we're on the way to Chiang Mai. Guys, thoughts?
This is actually really nice. It's
Awesome.
Are you calling us thoughts, Cathy? That's really rude. Are you?
I don't have it, I only miss it every day.
Guys, this is life on a train for 12 hours.
Oh my god, we're gonna be on here for 12 hours.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Hi Grace.
Wait, what is this for?
Just a documentary or vlog maybe.
Hello guys, my name is Juan. I've always wanted, can I just pretend this is your YouTube channel?
Yes, yes, yes.
I've always wanted to be in this channel and I love your channel so much.
Oh, thank you. Holy crap, that's so cool. It's a gimbal.
It's-
Do you want to hold it?
Can I like,
Yeah, that goes upside down. And then flips over again. The train is actually shaking. Bye. Hi, good Hey guys, we're on the train. It's a little shaky.
'Cause now that I don't have it, I only miss it.
It's currently 6:51.
yeah.
Yeah.
There was today. You'd be such a bad vlogger. Oh my god.
This is Brandon. You have to meet and comment Brad.
Hello, I'll be taking over. So, guys, welcome to Cathy's vlog.
Hello.
Hello. Aloha.
Oh, wild dog
YouTube
eating
channel.
natural
Okay,
habitat.
3, 2,
No, no recording.
1, go.
Go.
Okay.
Shut
Thanks. Cathy's vlog. Cathy's vlog.
Hey, I'm gonna be in the vlog. Vlog squad.
Wait, I like cameras.
Vlog squad again.
We should do this like flight attendant thing every weekend.
Miss Basilia, do not sit. Look at this velvety cushion. Social distancing. Beautiful blanket. Soft.
Like and subscribe button. This is going into a documentary. Oh, it's the time you get to spend.
Look, super soft. Yes.
Donate to my Patreon.
Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you.
We are on the bus on the way to the campsite. Well, campsite number 1. It's like hot springs. So, yeah. We are at the first campsite. I wonder if this is like doing a good focus. How many people do we have in our group?
What do you want?
Hi vlog. This is my last week and this because I'm leaving.
John Lennon are more circular.
Yeah, more circular. Much more
Ray-Bans.
Ray-Bans. I knew. Going for my
You're good.
birthday.
You want an autograph or something? How you doing? please, can I have an autograph?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Tom Cruise right here. I'm Tom Cruise.
Is this a vlog? Is this
Yeah.
a vlog?
Yeah.
Autograph?
This is a.
I started this goddamn vlog.
I started. Hey, this is me. Everybody.
Go follow my TikTok.
This thing doesn't work.
24 yen
Bro,
You're too short.
this thing is annoying, man. Okay, I figured it out. I did it. That's not okay. That's not working.
Interesting. I like your bucket hat.
Thank you. I got it from Sunny.
Yeah. I see like everyone has that. Yo yo. Jingle Fang. Wait, where do we go? You guys need to walk more. We need to just stay straight. More to Gustav. Yeah, that works.
Alright, welcome to Cathy Turnbull's vlog. So remember
I'm gonna let Alex
to
have it.
hey subscribe and
What's wrong
like
with
our
Alex?
channel.
Alex can have the vlog. Why not?
He's a bully. He bullies me. He says that I'm a
Patch.
pirate.
Patch.
You must be Patchy.
Miss Patchy. Alright, so subscribe, like, and comment on Cathy Turnbull's new video.
Can I be a part of the vlog?
Sure. We are all one loving.
Hi, vlog.
Town students, you can start.
In your mouth.
Grab your
You
food
go run your
boxes.
mouth. You're like hi vlog.
Grab your food boxes and.
It's lunchtime. Our thing just like air dried, so we're on our way.
Turned 19 and I dropped out for a few months in my hometown. Cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things. Had a lot of low days, but I'm up now. Keep your head on straight, don't slow down. Cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things. Stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud. I got one more year. I'm in a rush 'cause I'm 19.
This is our wardrobe.
Like that, man.
Wardrobe. It's Christmas time.
Then I'm 19, but I don't give a f- 'cause I'm finding. I don't wanna be in what she said, but I wanna be so bad.
Do you wanna say something to the viewers?
Subscribe to Cathy. Like and subscribe.
You heard the man. I think our goal should be like no one should fall on one of the trails. I feel like someone's gonna fall.
I'm just trying to get the bag tonight. I'm just trying to get some fans to like me. I'm just trying to get the camera light. I'm just trying to get some girls to like me. We stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud.
Thanks.
I got
Is that
one
Rick?
more year. Now I'm in a rush 'cause I'm 19, but I don't give up.
We're almost halfway. It's been like, I think this trek is probably like 4 hours, 5 hours, depending on like if we get lost or not. So hopefully we do not get lost. We didn't really get lost yet, but right now we're looking for a brick road. We're almost halfway there, right, Olympi?
Yeah.
We're more than halfway.
Yes.
And this is the nice little lake that we're crossing. It's been an hour and like 30 minutes. We just stopped for lunch.
Something like that, yeah.
We're hanging in there. We both have the maps because we're both student leaders.
I'm growing up and I'm 19, but I don't give up 'cause I'm finding. I don't wanna be in what she said.
Yeah, there's a trail.
Looking for me till
Look,
let's
another
go.
checkpoint.
Take me
Yeah,
on this
let's
journey
go.
home. I don't wanna wait no.
Wait until I can say a
this, then we should keep going.
Lay me
What
down behind
can we expect?
Tell me you'll be on
It just
soon.
says to
I
head
don't wanna wait no
east into the jungle and at the T junction turn NNE. So north here.
We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on our way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm high.
We are at the summit of the mountain. Hi Chloe, what are you eating?
Noodles, stir-fried noodles.
Oh, nice.
Hopelessly, why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
We are almost done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are almost done.
Look at the your end of view.
Whoa.
Sorry. Anyone want to say final?
Really brand new. Affection on display, like a tattoo. A kid love to be someone you're after. Couldn't help it. I just wanna feel the light, part of the laughter. Do you like what you see? Oh God. Would it make you happier if I told you I was wrong? Well, I know how I feel, but I hold my tongue. Hold my tongue, hold my tongue. She whispered to me in a dream last night, sticking by your side. I got you, but I'll be fine if my dreams don't last. 'Cause this too shall pass. It's so true. Miss you the most. Pretend that I don't. Just gotta hold my tongue till I get there. Would it make you?
Right now we are making a pulley system to get to the other side.
Well, I know how I feel, but I hold my tongue. Hold my tongue. Would it make you love me more if I played you all my songs? Feel like I could scream, but I hold my tongue. Hold my tongue. I hold my tongue.
Yeah! train. That's Alba. Hi Val.